BECBAS Easy Mount Garbage Disposal Installation Video. BECBAS offers a full line of garbage disposals featuring a wide range of horsepower levels to meet the needs of any homeowner. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install a BECBAS garbage disposal with Easy Mount. Please read BECBAS installation and operation instruction thoroughly. It is included in the garbage disposal packaging box. Keep this guide for future reference. BECBAS garbage disposals are designed to operate on 110 to 120 volts 60 Hz exclusively. Using any other wattage or Hertz adversely affects performance. For any questions, please check with a qualified electrician. Step 1. Disable the Easy Mounting Assembly. Remove the mount assembly from the garbage disposal by turning mount ring clockwise. Remove the cushion mount. Remove the mount ring. Unscrew the support ring from sink flange and remove fiber gasket. You are now left with a sink flange and rubber gasket. Pay close attention to the order of mount assembly ports, as they have been correctly assembled by the manufacturer. Step 2. Install the Easy Mounting Assembly. Clean the area around the sink drain. Plumber's putty or silicone seal are recommended to ensure sealing. Put the rubber gasket on the sink opening. Insert flange into sink opening. Press down hard to squeeze out excess putty or silicone seal. Do not rotate sink flange once it has been placed. From underneath the sink, slip fiber gasket onto the exposed sink flange. Screw the support ring onto the sink flange. Hand tighten until the sink flange will no longer move. Place the mount ring over the sink flange and hold in place while installing the cushion mount. Large side down, so the groove on the inside of cushion mount fits over the lip on the sink flange. Step 3. Attach the discharge elbow. Make sure the rubber gasket is on the provided discharge elbow. Slide the metal bracket over the elbow and insert it into the discharge outlet. Tighten the two screws evenly. Do not over-tighten. If you are connecting to a dishwasher, use a steel punch or wooden dowel and knock out the plug in dishwasher inlet. Remove the plug and throw it away. Step 4. Connect the disposal to Easy Mounting Assembly. Line up the disposal under the mounting assembly. Guide the hopper projections into the mount ring slots. Turn mount ring about 1/4 inches to the right so that the disposal is temporarily supported. Tap the mount ring ears with a screwdriver until the lock position is achieved. Connect the discharge elbow to the drain line. If connecting to the dishwasher, connect the dishwasher drain hose using the hose clamp. Make sure all plumbing connections are tight and in accordance with all plumbing codes and ordinances. Run water and check for leaks. This application is equipped with a cord and a grounding plug. The plug must be plugged into appropriate outlet that is properly installed and grounded in accordance with all local codes and ordinances.